Do you want to learn how to create these Gmail signatures with icons and images, describing your person, your roles, and your social media every time you send a professional mail? Today, you're gonna learn how to do it. With your Gmail, open it, click here on Settings. Now click on See All Settings, at General, scroll down until you find Signatures. Click here on Create New, put your signature name, and click on Create. Now click on this space, put your name. Below, put your role, scroll down a little, and here, set it at your new signature, make it here too, and scrolling down and clicking here on Save Changes. Once you make this, when you go here on Compose, you can see that my signature is already here. But now, let's create a customized signature. I'll open a new tab and I'm going to click here at Google Apps and I'm going to open Google Docs. With my Google Docs open, I'll tap here to create a new page. Now I'm going to click here on Insert. I'm going here on Table and I'll select 341. Now we have a 3-column table. I'm gonna drag this here. I'm going to expand this here. Now I'm going to insert my image. I'm going to use my drive. Here it is. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on Insert. Here it is my image. I'm going to select it and I'm going to crop it a little. Now I'm going to click out of here. Now select your image again. Go here at Image Options and here at Size and Rotation, put 1 and 1 again. And that's it. Now close this window and adjust your columns. Now I'm gonna write my name and my details on the third column. I'm going to increase my name and I'm going to bold it. I'm going to change the font. Now click on this first bar, change to the color you want. I'm gonna use this darker gray. Make the border size you want. And now I'm going to select the second column and I'm going to change the color to white. So here it is. And I'm going to adjust it like this. The last thing you need to do is select it all like this. Now go here at Format, go here at Table, scroll down and click on Table Properties. Click here on Cell and change this value to 0. Now I'm gonna adjust it a little more like this. Now I'm going to click here on Color and on the table border color I will put white. I'm going to select this border again and I'm changing again the color to dark gray and make the edit you want to your signature look like you want. So once your editing is done and your signature is looking like you want, select all of it like this and copy it. Now go again at your email, go again at Settings, see all settings, scroll down until you see here Signature. Select this to paste over it and paste it here. Here you can configure many more things, so you can make it your text bold, italic, you can add hyperlinks, images, much more things. You can change the font. So once your editing is done, scroll down and click on Save Changes, and when you go at Compose, you can see your signature right here. If the content helped you even a little bit, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribe to our channel to see our content. If you had any doubts or want to make a compliment or a suggestion, please comment below. Bye!